Okay, even though Amazon printing warehouse shuts down for 2 days, there is still a niche that sells even on Christmas Day, and I want to show you in this video. And one of the reasons this is such a fun niche is it's ironic, right? Let's look at it. I'm talking about stress relief. People are still buying this book, these books on Christmas Day. People still like they won't ship till the day after, but the BSR is still people are still purchasing stress relief. So I'm sharing this with you because there are so many different ways to position stress relief. As you can see this summer, a trend picked up where people were doing stress relief for adults. And look at the items, right? Just happy, go lucky, relax type of things. Okay. But this has been going on longer than just 6 months. If we look back another year, we have a stress relief coloring book based off of animals and landscape and patterns. Okay. So there is some similarity here, but they are presenting a different product. And I think that is the best way to niche down and make money even on Christmas, right? Is seeing what's in demand and then creating something to position yourself in that demand. Okay, let's go down a little bit more for stress relief and see what comes up. Obviously, people are building out their own different brands. This is a different self publisher than the one before, and this book is killing it, right? And this is, we'd have to see the origin of this name to see how old it is. But I'm here to tell you that people, even on Christmas Day, are on Amazon.com, the United States, and they're buying stress relief books on Christmas Day. Now, I did a little bit different Christmas this year. We bought some presents for an elderly man at church, and we didn't run around town doing all the crazy things. We don't have very many presents underneath our tree. And you guys, spoiler alert, my kids are too smart to trick about Santa Claus. And so we just talk about the spirit of Santa. And the spirit of Santa is giving, right? And it's giving in secret. And that goes along with what we teach our kids in our house about Jesus Christ. I digress, but I'm letting you know that, like, this is a huge thing for people that feel really overwhelmed during the holidays. So if you've been looking at stuff in Q3 and Q4 and you're like, "Ah, I don't want to do Christmas books," like that every coin has two sides. So like the hustle and bustle, there's another side to it. And that is the stress relief, right? And I love that. Okay. So this is actually another self-publisher and they also started in Q4 and they're off to the races. Okay. $75 a day. Let's keep looking. Okay. This is another sub niche, right? Like we're talking about stress relief, but it's like for cat lovers. Okay. I'm allergic to cats. You probably know that if you've spent any time on my channel. But this book makes $73 a day. Here's the neat thing about this, it's only 76 pages. So a lot of times people grab those composition notebooks and they put 400 different covers on the front, and that's actually more work than spending a little bit more time on a higher quality book. Okay. Also, this is priced at $9.99, but Amazon has put it on sale because they believe that the customers they'll get more sales for $6.30. You still get the same royalties. And recently I told you guys that I turned off my ads as an experiment. And when that happened, my price of my book went up to the list price. And now it's not selling as much. So I'm going to rework my ads to see if I can't get more sales, to see if the price can't come down more so I get the same royalties. Okay. Next book. This one's this will be 3 years old in just a couple days. Things I want to say at work but can't coloring book. Okay. This includes swear words for stress relief. And If they wanted to run ads to this, they could because there's no curse words in the subtitle or on the cover. So if you want to do curse words, that's a great way around it. And KDP used to be more lenient about pen names in 2022. So that's why they got away with funny gifts. But you can see you can't click on it. It might not even have an author central built out. Okay. Another trend for actual Christmas Day purchases is calmness. Like that's stress relief, right? So relaxing book to calm your mind. Okay, this is making $800 a day. It did not stop selling because of the holiday. In fact, it is that opposite side of the coin. Okay. I think this one's probably selling because it's Christmas time, but it's making $7 a day. Okay. So I just wanted to bring this to your attention, especially for those of you that are okay with focusing on niches throughout the holiday season. There's a lot of people that they want to take the holidays off. And I know the holidays are not always easy for different people in different circumstances. I've had times where Christmas was really sad for me. And I've actually been thinking about that. If you guys would be interested in a story time about how books changed my life during Christmas time. And I attribute me even talking about self publishing to some really traumatic things that happened in my life. And I would love to do that. I actually was thinking I need to come on camera and not just do tutorials for you guys so we could become better friends. Okay, so keep in mind that like stress relief, it's like it's going to keep going and it's going to happen in the new year. People want more peace and stress relief, right? Here's another one. This is a flower. So like we've seen the niche of like cozy stuff, cats, flowers, nature. Here's a super cool one. Okay. This one's almost 1 year old. Think about if you're really good at patterns, like mindfulness patterns. Oh, and I forgot to tell you guys, my sister, she's really, really good at hand lettering. She is going to come out and visit me and I'm going to teach her. She was creating books before me, but she didn't understand the ecosystem. So I'm really excited. And this, looking at this book, I want to show this to her because she's really good at design. So this is another way to niche down, like stress relief with mindfulness and patterns. So I hope these videos are helping you guys. You guys have given me really good feedback that sometimes you just need another person outside of the bottle to be like, hey, this is what I'm reading on the bottle. Go and do this. I think that can help us. That's how I found my six-figure niche was from YouTube. And I can't even find those videos anymore, which is blowing my mind. I look all the time and I don't know what happened to them. So it's so secret. It's just crazy. Okay, so let me know how I can help you guys. Let me know. I actually wanted to check out this person a little bit deeper. Okay, so they're building out a whole cute little brand around this. So really all you need is one book to get started. So if you celebrate Christmas, Merry Christmas. If you have a particular holiday you're celebrating, happy holidays. And I'm so pumped for you for 2025, for all of us, because there is so much opportunity to serve the Amazon customer with your book skills. So in the comments, drop a Merry Christmas, drop a idea for the next video, and I'll see you in the next one. Love you guys. Peace out.